We'll guide you through how to create a Gumroad tutorial. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Gumroad website and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the Products tab on the left-hand menu and click on it. This is where you'll start creating your tutorial product. Next, click on the New Product button, which will prompt you to choose the type of product you want to create. Select Digital Product, since you'll be offering a tutorial. Now, you need to give your product a name. Make it descriptive and catchy so potential customers know exactly what they're getting. Enter the price you want to charge or set it to pay what you want if you prefer. After setting the details, click Next to move on to the content section. Here, you'll upload the files that make up your tutorial. This could be videos, PDFs, or any other digital content you've prepared. Drag and drop your files into the upload area or click to select them from your computer. Once your files are uploaded, you can add a product description. Be sure to include any important details about what your tutorial covers and what the customer will learn. It's a good idea to highlight any special features or bonuses. When you're satisfied with your description, click Next. Now it's time to customize your checkout page. You can add an image or a thumbnail that represents your tutorial. Make sure it's eye-catching and relevant. You can also write a short summary or tagline that will appear on the checkout page. Review everything one last time, and when you're ready, hit the Publish button. Your Gumroad tutorial is now live and ready for customers to purchase. You can share the link on your social media or website to start attracting buyers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.